Guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to talk about DraftKings / Golden Nugget Online Gaming with a couple of other gaming stocks such as Caesars, Penn National Gaming, and Wynn Resorts. Just to reiterate, guys, not a financial advisor. Make sure that you do your own research before investing. Also, if you find value in today's video, smash the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel if you enjoy this content, and hit that notification bell. That way, YouTube can let you know every time we release new content. So that's just DraftKings, Caesars, and Penn National Gaming. Here's how sports betting stocks performed in August. And this is a little on the later side of things. Usually I can catch these the day of, but I'm about 2 days behind. But we'll talk about it anyway and break down the charts for a couple of these things here. So it says 22 U.S. states plus Washington, D.C. offer some form of legalized sports betting, and many of those companies are publicly traded. So we're going to go over some of those. And the first one we're going to talk about, obviously, is DraftKings, because that's what we are currently invested in. Actually invested in Golden Nugget, which is actually now partially a part of DraftKings based on that buyout. Okay, so it says here's how sports betting stocks performed in August. Shares of DraftKings down 0.08%, spiked 22.25% in the month of August amid a strong second quarter earnings report. DraftKings also announced it acquired Golden Nugget Online Gaming in a $1.56 billion deal and held an exclusive Tom Brady NFT release. Okay, in a recent interview with MarketWatch, DraftKings CEO Jason Robbins said a strong 2021 for his company can happen regardless of the dangers of the COVID-19 pandemic. We couldn't tell how much of the general momentum with DraftKings and how much of that was people getting bored at home. Robbins told MarketWatch, "We think it shows that we have a strong momentum." I have to say I agree, and especially with the acquisition of Golden Nugget, which has been continuously growing this past year and shows zero signs of slowing down. That's only going to add more and more revenue and market share to DraftKings, and this thing is going to just constantly go up and up and up, in my opinion. I don't see it for any reason going down anytime soon, like a massive drop. It's going to happen. It's occasional pullbacks. However, with football season starting, I really think that this thing is going to continue to rise. And then with the whole online casino deal, with all these things with COVID, and although people are all gung-ho about things opening up, the new variants and everything, it's almost not even worth the risk. If you like to gamble, you could just do it from your phone. You could just hang out at home and gamble and have a drink, and so why go and drive and waste gas money? It's probably like $5 a gallon anyway. You could just do it from home. So I think that is going to continue. In my opinion, that trend is going to continue to move online, and going to get more prosperous for Golden Nugget and DraftKings as they add more states. Okay, because during its earnings call in August, DraftKings disclosed an investigation by the Securities and Exchange Commission concerning allegations over black market gaming and money laundering made by short seller Hindenburg Research, which, whatever, I don't care about those people. So it talks about Caesars, Penn National Gaming. Penn National Gaming, guys, is another one that I really, really like. And this was one, whenever the crash happened, I kicked myself because I should have held for a lot longer. But I bought this stock when it doubled. I sold, and then it just continuously rose and rose and rose. Like, I bought it like $5 or $6, and it sold at close to 12, and it just kept going, got all the way over $100. I'm like, oh man, I could have banked so much. But out of this article, they're talking about that these are the ones: DraftKings, Golden Nugget, Penn. Those are the ones that I like. I like the most out of these. So this article will be linked in the description below if you want to take a look at it. But we're going to look at the charts on DraftKings and Golden Nugget, and let's see what they're telling us. All right, guys, so looking at DraftKings, ticker symbol DKNG. So we flirted with breaking above that 61.22 level of resistance, and that's where we need to go next in order to continue to move higher. We are trading well above that SMA line, which kind of, to me, tells me that we could get a little pullback further down, maybe to about that $59 to $57 mark before we bounce up and try to come back up. We are still bleeding off, and not very aggressively, which is a good sign. It's just kind of slowly bleeding a little bit, and but we are in a, believe it or not, a bearish pattern right now for DraftKings on the 4-hour. Overall, long term, we're definitely in a bullish pattern, which is great, but we need to get above that 61.22 level and hold, and then use that as support, and then try to bust through that next level up, which will be 66.25, and then next level up there would be about $74.50, $75 in order for us to continuously move higher. So short term, again, I can see it maybe pulling back a little bit and then maybe trying to work its way back up. I don't see it making any type of big massive move until the Q3 earnings do come out, and I'm not sure exactly when the date is on that, but I can wait it out because I think that they're going to be very, very good. So if we're going to look at Golden Nugget Online Gaming as well, the charts are going to look very, very similar. Remember that one share of Golden Nugget is 0.365 of DraftKings, right? So if you own 1,000 shares of Golden Nugget come January 2022, when the deal is finalized, you're going to own 365 shares of DraftKings. Okay, so you have time to build out your position if you want to get into DraftKings for a longer term. You know, Golden Nugget is only $22 a share right now, so that's a lot cheaper than having to go buy. But realistically, it's going to be actually the same thing mathematically whenever it does come into play. So just to let you know. But Golden Nugget, your current support is 21.22. Next level up is 23.85. So again, as DraftKings moves, this is going to move as well. So you want to kind of keep up with that and just kind of wait it out. But longer term for this one, I see this one hitting $30, in my opinion, before the end of the year. I'm not sure how long that will take, but I think after the Q3 earnings on both Golden Nugget and DraftKings comes out, as long as this stays above 20, okay, let me clarify on that. As long as this can stay about above $20, then I think that this thing is going to probably hit about 30 before end of the year. So let me know your thoughts on these stocks, guys. Let me know if you're buying any of these, and let me know if you hold any of these. Kind of a bonus. Let's look at Penn National Gaming, and you see what I'm talking about. Penn went all the way up to $142. Got as low as $61, and then now back to about $81. So still in a bearish pattern. I wouldn't buy right here. I'd wait and see if it's going to bounce off of that SMA line before getting in if you're going to try to swing it. But anyway, yeah, I was in it at about 5 or 6, sold at a little over 10, and you see what I could have gotten out of there. But at least I picked a good one, right? That's kind of the good thing. So anyway, let me know what your thoughts are about the video. Let me know what your thoughts are about these companies. And other than that, we'll catch you in the next one. All right, guys, that's all I have for you in this video. Make sure that you smash the thumbs up button if you found value in today's video. And if you enjoy our content, of course, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know every time we release new content. Other than that, guys, we'll catch you in the next video.